Hey guys, how are you doing? Once again, welcome to Learning Pin. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make a online form. Suppose you have a online shop and you want to get customer feedback, or you want to make a event or registration form. So don't worry, it's totally free and you don't need to know any kind of coding. So when you're ready, let's get started.
If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update.
Okay guys, first of all you have to open up your browser, then go to Google Drive. If you don't know what is Google Drive, then search it on Google. What is Google Drive? Type Google Drive, then search it and go to the first link, and now click the first link. Okay, here you Google Drive. From here, from the left side, click new, then click more, then click Google Forms. Okay, let's go there. Here our blank Google form. If you want to choose from a template, then click here. Now you can see there are many free templates here. You can choose from one of these, like contact information, party invite, event registration, t-shirt sign up, any kind of feedback you can give by this Google form. So today we're gonna customize a new one from blank one. So click here. Okay, now let's introduce yourself with every option available here. You can see here the customize option. You can customize your theme, like you can choose a header image from here. Okay, let's upload one. You can upload a image or photo from your computer. You can upload, okay, this one. You can resize it. Okay, now click select. It's gonna take some time to fully upload. Okay, it's completed loading. I'm sorry, it looks like terrible, but it's okay because we are learning. Also, you can change your theme color, and you can change theme background from here. You can change font style. It's up to you. You can change it to different way, so don't wanna waste your time. Let's do our main job. You can preview this form. We're gonna see it later. First we need to customize this one. Here you can see this is the form title. You can rename it as you like. So here you can type description, I mean some text about this form. Okay, we're gonna type here our main word, question and answer. This is the main. Okay, let's rename it. Suppose you want to know user name, so type what is your name. The question you're gonna ask to user, and user will reply by their answer. You're gonna choose what your answer will be looks like. You're gonna ask his name, so it's gonna be short answer type. Click here. So you're gonna ask him or her, what is your name, they're gonna answer it. Okay, let's make another question. What is your mobile number? This is also gonna be short answer type. Okay, another important thing is you're gonna make it optional or required. Required means they have to answer this question. If you skip it, that means they're gonna answer it or not. It depends on them. So let's make another question. You're gonna ask the user which course they wanna learn. So type let's make it multiple choice answer type. So in option 1 type make our last question. When you gonna join with us? Let's make it date type, time of it. As it is our last question, so let's introduce with answer type. Short answer means they're gonna make a text answer type. Paragraph means they're gonna answer with a long text, multiple choice, you know it, checkbox, or they can choose from drop down menu. They can upload their photo or image or any kind of file. Linear scale. There are so many answer type here. You can choose any of these answer type. Date, month, year. Okay, let's make it record. And finally our form is ready. Okay, now I'm gonna say how you can share this form with someone. All you have to do is just click send. If you click this, you're gonna receive their user email address. It's optional. Now you can send it by email, you can share it by Facebook, Twitter, or Google Plus, or you can embed link. You can, if you share this link with someone by any means, like on Messenger, Imo, WhatsApp, Viber, or you with your website or anywhere you want, then just copy this link and send to him. Okay, let's copy it. Now open new tab and paste and go. Here you go. Now you can see our form. You can customize it as you want or as you want, or you can customize it with more information, more data. So let's answer this question. Okay, now submit it and see what's gonna happen. Okay, you can see your response has been recorded. You can submit another one. Okay, let's go to our form. Now you can see in responses there is one responses. Click here. Someone named Rajib answered or fill up your form. Now here are main things. You can download these responses or you can print it, but we're gonna store this answer in a spreadsheet. So click this plus icon. Now if you have existing spreadsheet, you can choose from them, or you can create a new spreadsheet. Name, okay, let's name it to okay. Now our spreadsheet created, but where are we gonna get this spreadsheet? You can, if you go to your Google Drive even, you can see there is a spreadsheet created in named Learning Bean course. Okay, now click it. Okay, here you go. This is our spreadsheet. This is the time they inputted their information. What's your name? What's the mobile number? What do you want to learn? When you're gonna join us? So every time any user fill up your form, the information will be updated here automatically. Okay. So also you can customize your spreadsheet. Also you can make it colorful as you want. I think you know how to customize a spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel. Then finally you can share this spreadsheet with everyone, with someone, or you can download it from this file menu or from this print menu. You can download as PDF file or CSV file, or you can input this mobile number to your. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. And if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer your question. So see you later. Till then, goodbye.